Hi everybody, thank you so much for coming onto our website. My name is Dee, I'm a vehicle advisor at Fredericton ReCar. Again, this is my time to do my pick of the week, and my pick of the week is this amazing 2018 Hyundai Kona. It's such a beautiful vehicle with so many features that you would love in it. You got beautiful LED lights in this car. It offers so much. So for $18,999, this vehicle could be yours, or for as little as $80 a week. So this car comes with so many incredible features, including Apple CarPlay. You got a big multimedia touchscreen as well, with a full infotainment system in it. So this car offers so much agility, pep, and speed without compromising the sport utility side of life, and of course not breaking the bank too. So you can take a look around here as well on the vehicle. You got beautiful alloy rims with the car, and offers a great fuel economy with an average of about 8.6 liters per 100 kilometers. Again, this is a beautiful vehicle. Come on up here at Fredericton ReCar on Bishop Drive. See me, see the team. We would love to show you this vehicle and hopefully get it into your driveway by the end of the week. Thanks again for visiting us, and Asante Sana. See you next time.